Alright, wait a minute. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna show the process of what's going on. This is a banana leaf. There's some cocos. They're destroying my knife. So what we do, oh my god, this motherfucker in my knife.
So that is how. It's faster when you have a catalyst, right? And when you're more experienced, right? So that is the whole.
So then I go grab one of these. Or you can do it that way and bang against a tree.
So basically, this is the process, right? After breaking the pods, you have a whole, maybe you have about 8 or 10 leaves right here. And then keep breaking the pods, and then pouring the cocoa beans on the leaves. And then after, we carry it all in the basket, and then take it into the city, into the village, and go and dry it, right? So it can always go like that when you don't have a cactus. But when you do, that's it. There we go. So this, after about a week or a week and a half, it's going to dry, and it's not going to look fresh like this. When it's like this, you can eat it. You know what I mean? It's not going to be fresh like this. Dry it up, take this out, and then now the beans dry up and look like the way you see the coffee beans and other beans. You know what I mean? So it's still the same shit. That's the process of having it done.